Imagine a world where robots can't move. No assembly lines, no surgical precision, no automated warehouses. That's a world without actuators, the hidden heroes that bring every robot to life by converting energy into precise mechanical motion. Right now, we're witnessing an explosion in the robotic actuator market that's reshaping entire industries. The numbers tell an incredible story, from $40 billion in 2023 to a projected $155 billion by 2030. That's nearly quadrupling in just 7 years. But why should you care? Because this growth signals a fundamental shift in how we design, build, and automate everything around us. Electric actuators are leading this revolution, replacing older hydraulic and pneumatic systems with something far more elegant. They offer precise position control, variable speed operation, and seamless integration with digital control systems, exactly what modern robotics demands. The transformation spans every sector. In healthcare, surgical robots equipped with sophisticated actuators are enabling minimally invasive procedures that were impossible just a decade ago. Manufacturing facilities are retrofitting entire production lines with electric linear actuators to achieve energy efficiency and precision that legacy systems simply can't match. Even agriculture is getting in on the action, with specialized actuators powering robots that can pick delicate fruits without bruising them. What's driving this explosive growth? The convergence of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT is fundamentally changing how actuators are designed and controlled. We're not just making motors that move things anymore, we're creating intelligent motion systems that can adapt, learn, and optimize their own performance. For engineers and designers, understanding this market isn't optional. It's essential for staying competitive in an increasingly automated world. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.